Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
Yeah, so Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure is an expansion of the Hagrid story, and we're really excited to bring it to life to fans. June 13th is our grand opening. What we've done is we've expanded the universe of Hogsmeade into the Forbidden Forest. So we've added more than 1,200 trees, and we've redeveloped the entire site to tell this story. With the motorbike or the sidecar experience, you sit higher on the motorbike, and it's the same height restriction, 48 inches for either. But there's just a unique experience between the two. You sit up higher, you're a bit more exposed on the motorbike. The sidecar, of course, is Harry Potter's seat from Deathly Hallows, and it's a great iconic moment to recreate from the film. You can imagine. Wherever you sit on the train, whether it's the front of the train or the back of the train, there's just a whole different experience. So that's the thing. You can keep riding this over and over again. You're never going to see the same thing. You're never going to have the same experience. You actually meet Hagrid, and he welcomes you to class, introduces you to what he's going to teach you during class. It's about Cornish pixies, blast-ended scroots, and unicorns if you can lure them to the class. And he introduces us to Arthur Weasley, who is helping him modify Sirius Black's motorbike and duplicate it so we can ride it to the class. The outbuilding where we're going to go to the edge of the forest, we're going to meet Hagrid and the blast-ended scroot. And the blast-ended scroot is this massive, wonderful creature that actually has scent associated with it. So it smells kind of like rotting fish in some ways, but not too off-putting. It's going to be great for fans to come out to something they've known since the opening of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Hogsmeade, and just the way in which we've been able to expand basically something that's about the 7 acres that you can fit all of Hogsmeade and Hogwarts Castle into. I think they're just going to be blown away by the amount of effort that we put into bringing this story to life.